we broke really important level for GameStop, really important level for GameStop, and I see the target next price value for GameStop really soon. We're gonna hit it, so stay tuned. We're gonna go for all the prices for this week and the next week, and the exact price value where we're gonna see a big jump of a price movement when we hit those levels. So be careful from this level and the other level. We get a big rejection level coming up for GameStop. So before we go the video, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification so you never miss any my future update. As I told you, when we're gonna big sell off at 250, and that's what we did around the 10th of March. As I always say, there's always an extra opportunity, so never feel FOMO. So let's get right to it without further ado, without BS, as my trading Jesus always tell you. So let's go and see what happened. And as I told you before, guys, this is really important. We've been trending as from the first video as actually did it around the beginning of March, when I told you that 250 we're gonna see a sell-off, and that's what we did actually at this time. Then we bounce from our ascending line. You see with me, guys, this is a really important level to watch out for. Actually, we've been trending above this ascending trend line. Boom, we try bounce from it since 25th of February. So have a psychological level for this level. It's really important level. We bounced from it twice. This time we broke from it. It was at 9th of April when we actually see the warning sign for trending change in trend for GameStop here around the 9th of April. Let me highlight it so we can see it clearly together here. Boom. So now what we can see from this ascending trend line, we break from it. So the next scenario that I can see for GameStop, look with me closely. Just today, what we did here, we touch by the cent our support, our resistance level at 156 by the cent. So what that's mean? That's mean the price been tested, so it have a significant value for us, and there is a big major test again for the price around here, guys. This is really important. If we see a bounce from our ascending line and we see our exponential average actually trending, coiling above us, and if we have a candle rejected at this level around the $1.65, really important level, guys, really important level, even below the $1.70. If we get the bounce from here, this is big that will show us that this line been verified, and we get rejection from verification. We get verification rejection from our ascending line. This is a big indication that we're gonna see the price go down even lower, and we bounce then from our 200 exponential average here around the 114. Because if we don't hold this level, we might see below the $100 for GameStop in coming days. Really important, guys, really important. If we get rejected at our ascending line, this is a big no-no, and it's big indication that we're gonna see a lower low for GameStop, because we already actually broke our ascending line, and now always when we break the level, we need to test it to make sure this sell-off it was verified, and that's what the market makers see before they drive the price even lower. They test it, then they drive the price lower, and we might see a bit pushback around the 111, and we see a bounce back. If we don't see a buying pressure here like what happened around the 25th of March, we're gonna see the 95 for sure, and this is the really important support level for GameStop. We're gonna see accumulation for the price value around the 95. This is really important level that we see a bit of fighting for GameStop. As we can see, has been fighting since the 12th of March. We got a lot of self pressure at this area, because I told you before, the price been hyped, and that's why we never respected the 250. But always in the market go back and gravitate around the price of value. That's what we did here. We got rejected at this. We even went above the 300. I was like, what's going on? This is crazy, because the price went even 300 and never respect our level. But after, I always told you guys, you need to be patient to see after the dust clear, and you see more clearly after what something happened, because usually at the beginning any price or any movement triggered by people following, people actually bought at the top, and they want to have like they got 50% in return, so they buy more, and it's like snowflake effect. And then we arrived here where a lot of people actually want to sell off because they just want to break even. This is the big psychological level, and that's what we hit. And now we are still trending here, and always guys, this kind of play for GameStop, as I can see, is a social movement that's never been like present, never been there before in the trading market. And this is crazy that just retail trader actually went against the most dangerous, the most biggest of the biggest of hedge funds. And we see the price moved from the around the 55, and we went to 300 just by people holding and buying. This is crazy. But usually with this kind of meme stocks is like it's speculation, and a lot of gambling come with it, because when you get a lot of attention from even like not normal attention, is a good and a bad at the same time. Because if it's not supported with the fundamental a bit, is like the price is not justified, you can't hold this kind of movement long. And we can see is really volatile, as we can see here. So trade it with your own risk always. If you buy GameStop, you have to be never actually put all your money in one basket. Never put like 90% of your money. Protect yourself. Buy in chunks, so you be ready to buy at the other dip. As I told you here, you can actually buy at the dip around this support level, so you can average down. So never put in one go. So like a lot of people maybe get burned when they just bought at 260 and they waited now to buy again. Maybe they don't have money, so always don't buy a lot, but even go to price at 250, don't buy at this resistant level. Always buy and support the price. Always gravitate and go back. So just wait. As at my channel always tell you guys, be patient and hunt for the right price value, because the price always gravitate, come back and consolidate to the right price value, so you can average down and you bring your price down a bit and you have more for your money. And I'm not suggesting. A lot of people actually give me hate comments and things like this. They say like, okay, just hold. Yeah, if you hold here, of course you can, but you at least have, you could actually hold. But the better solution for you, better than losing 50%, you can actually sell a bit of here of your profit and use it as an average down at 115. Because if you have a lot of money, just hold and buy, but this is not a smart way to gain more on your money. And that's what we try to do here at my channel, to make you make more profit, make a bit risk management. If you want to hold, you can, but take a profit, and the way to actually use it to buy the dip and never buy at the resistance, buy at the support. And I will guide you away for this this kind of strategy. I will show you how to do it and the way. So stay tuned, hit the notification so you never miss any of my future update. Like and subscribe, of course. If you have any kind of question regarding the video, any note will be really good and will help the channel a lot. And as always say, guys, be patient. Always there's opportunity coming. Always not just in the stock market, but in life. Never say that I missed something. There's always the next opportunity if you if you be patient and let the thing work out. Just time will work out if you just wait it and you have the plan to execute, of course. So guys, thanks for watching, and see you in the next update. And until next time, be ready to hunt for the next price value for GameStop. See you guys.